All right, so to install this program, all you need to do is navigate to the Microsoft Store. You do not need to be signed in order to install this. And then you'll just search for Windbg Preview. All right, after searching for Windbg Preview, you should see it here, and you'll be able to just hit Get, and that will go ahead and install it for you. Might take a couple seconds to install. And just like that, you've got it installed. Now we can open it up. All right, so this is the source code of the executable I will run in Windbg. We have a buffer size of 20. We're allocating it, so 20 bytes. And then we're going to go ahead and write 80 bytes into that buffer. And that should trigger a heap violation exception. And we'll go ahead and see that right now. So open up Windbg, and then we'll go ahead and launch the executable, project 2. There we go. We can see a command prompt, and then we'll go ahead and issue our breakpoint at main. Now that we have that, we'll step forward to the breakpoint. We can see here on the source view that we've hit our breakpoint here at the top of the main function. We'll go ahead and set another breakpoint here, just like that. You can see in the disassembly view, we have it set up here. Another way you could do it would be to just go to the actual instruction address and then just breakpoint at the address. Those two things would do the same. All right, so now that we've done that, we'll go ahead and step forward. That will step past our for loop, which overwrites that buffer. All right, so we've hit our breakpoint without any major issues so far. We can see down in this locals tab here, our my data char pointer is located at this address here. So we'll go ahead and check that out. That should take us down into the heap. And there we are. We can see that we've written 80 bytes at this location. We've only allocated about this much. We've written over it by quite a bit. So we should see some sort of exception happen on the next continue. And there we go. Triggered a debug exception related to the heap. Okay, so now we'll try running this in Visual Studio to see if we can see a difference here. And we can see we get an error message box noting that the heap corruption detected. Okay, so that's good. It was able to detect that error, but we do not get too much information on it. That's why using Windbg is very helpful in being able to troubleshoot where these types of errors are occurring. All right, guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Leave comments down in the comments section if you do have any questions on this process. And subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos of this type in the future.